Namaskar to everyone. Today in English grammar we are going to cover the topic conjunctions. So before learning about it, let me clear you what is conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words used to link words, phrases or clauses. Means in simple language, conjunctions are the words which is used to connect two pair of phrase or two pair of sentence. For example, you can see here the common conjunctions are and, but and, or. Means and, but, or. These three are the mostly used and very common conjunctions in our day-to-day English grammar. So let me start with these three conjunctions. First, we will learn about the use of and as a conjunction. So use of and is very common in English sentences. You can see here whenever there are two things we can add and in order to conjunct the new concepts. So here you can see few examples. Here in the pictures also you can see there are some fruits and some vegetables. So in order to connect, we buy fruit and vegetables at the grocery store. You can see here in order to connect fruit and vegetables and is used. Like that, the president visited towns and cities. The house is warm and comfortable. The weather was cold and windy. There were several cars and trucks. Means two different things whenever we are connecting, we are using and. So it is very simple and easy to understand. Let's come to the next one. It is use of but. But is also a linking word, but to differentiate two things. How? Let me clear you. He works quickly but neatly. Means he works quickly. Very quick means it's a good symbol, but neatly. At the same time, she works very neat works. Like that, the teacher is firm but fair with the children. The teacher is very strict, but still he is fair with the children. Means two different qualities it is indicating. The musicians are young but talented. Though the musicians are young, still they are talented. Means but is used for the quality of the musician, they are young and talented. So in that case also we can use but. Right, the weather was sunny but cold. Means it is reverse. Though it was sunny, means it should be hot but it is cold. That's why to reverse situations it is connecting. That's why but is used here. Like that, or is also the most commonly used conjunctions and it's very commonly used. You can see here, or it's about choices. If you have two options and you have to choose one, in that case we use or. You can have a soda or lemonade. Means there are two options, soda or lemonade. You have to choose any one. You have to put your choice here. Like that, would you like pasta or rice? Who is cooking the dinner, mom or dad? Does the sauce taste sweet or sour? Do we turn right or left? Means when there is option, two options there, you are suppose moving on the road and you have to turn right or left. You are in confusion. So you can ask your partner whether we have to turn left or right. Means wherever there are options or choices, we have to use or. So now we will move to few critical conjunctions in the next part. In the start only I told you that conjunction also join sentences. How? Let's see. That and, but and or we will use to join sentences, not only things. Mom is working in the garden. Dad is busy in the kitchen. You can see this sentence here. Mom is working in the garden and dad is busy in the kitchen. So in order to erase the full stop, we have to, if we will join the sentences, we will use like that. Mom is working in the garden and dad is busy in the kitchen. Same is playing football, Eric is reading a book. We will join Sam is playing football and Eric is reading a book. Like that you can use and in such cases. But here it is a different one. I switched on the TV. There were no interesting programs. Means I switched on the TV but there were no interesting programs. So here but will be used to join the above sentences. Like that you can go the last one. Yeah. Would you like to go to the movies? Shall we go for a burger? Would you like to go to the movies? Shall we go for a burger? Means would you like to go for the movies or shall we go for a burger? Means here options are there, choices are there. That's why we will use or here. Like that, hurry up, you will be late for the schools. Hurry up or you will be late for the schools. If you will not arrive early, you will be late for the school. So here are options. Now we will move to the next part. Other words for and. As we know that and or but, these are very commonly used conjunctions, but there are some options for and also. Means in case of and we can use different words also. You can see here there are some other words. Means that washed the car, he polished it. We can use also that not only washed the car but he also polished it. Means not only but also, not only but also, these are the pair of conjunctions. Sally baked the cake, she decorated it. Sally not only baked the cake but also she decorated it. Like that you can use the not only but also as a pair of conjunctions. Here you can see the last ones. They visited Sydney, they also visited Hong Kong and Tokyo. Here they visited Sydney as well as Hong Kong and Tokyo. Means they visited Sydney as well as, means at the same time they visited Hong Kong and Tokyo also. Sam ran faster than Kim, he ran faster than David too. Means Sam ran faster than both Kim and David. Means both is also used here as a conjunction. Like that, other words which are used for but. How? Let's see. Grandpa is old but very fit. Here you can see but you can rewrite the sentence at although grandpa is old, he is very fit. Means although is used in place of but. The weather was sunny but cold. Means even though the weather was sunny, it was cold. Means even though is used in place of but. The bus is slower than the train, but it's cheaper. While the bus is slower than the train, it's cheaper. Means while is used here as the replacement of but. This computer is very old but reliable. Though this computer is very old, it is reliable. So but is replaced by different words although, even though, while and though. So it is the other words for but. Let's check what are the other words for or. The movie was not funny, it was not interesting. Means the movie was neither funny nor interesting. Neither and nor, it is very importantly used in English grammar. Neither nor in place of or. You can do homework now, you can do homework after dinner. Means you have option here whether you can do your homework either now or after dinner. Means either and or is used here. We could walk, we could take a taxi. Means you have options walk or taking a taxi. So we could walk or else take a taxi. So these are some other words which can be used in place of or as a conjunctions. So now we will see different types of conjunction. This is conjunctions of time. The words you probably heard about before, after, since, until, when, while, as soon as. All these are also conjunctions and these are called conjunction of time. Take the toy out of the box before you throw the box away. Before you throw the box away, take your toy out of the box. Means before is used here between two sentences. In other words, I usually do my homework after I have my dinner. I usually do my homework after I have my dinner. So after is used here as a conjunction. Here you can see since we have moved to a new house since I last wrote to you, means last time when I wrote to you, at that time after we moved to a new house. So since is used as a conjunction. You cannot watch TV until you have done your homework. Means until you have not done your homework, you can't watch TV. So until is used here as a conjunction. I will call you when I get home. When I will get home means when I will go to the home, I will call you. So when it's used between these two sentences to join it. That's why when is a conjunction here. Dad watches TV while he does his exercise. So dad is simultaneously doing both the work, watching TV and doing his exercise. So while is used as a conjunction here. People stand back as the train goes through the stations. As means people stand back as the train goes through the station. As is used here as a conjunction. And at the last, as soon as you have finished your homework, let me see it. As soon as means whenever you finished your homework, let me see it. So as soon as is used as an conjunction here between finishing homework and showing it to your parents. Now we will move to the next part. This is called conjunction of place, where and wherever. Like that, does anybody know where Mr. Kettle lives? This is conjunction of place. Means it is connecting some places. Like, does anyone or anybody know where Mr. Kettle lives? Where Mr. Kettle lives is a different sentence, and does anyone know or anybody know is different sentence. So where is used here as a conjunction of these two sentences. Like that, wherever. The dog follows Andrew wherever he goes. Means wherever Andrew is going, the dog is following. So the two sentences are being joined here with the words wherever. Now we'll move to the next one, conjunctions of reasons. Because, since, as, in case. Because it is a common word. I sat down because I was feeling tired. So because is used here as in conjunction. And I took an apple since it was the only fruit in the bowl. There was only single fruit in the bowl. That's why she took an apple. So since is used here as a conjunctions. Mom switched off the TV as it was past my bedtime. When it was the bedtime, mom switched off the TV. Take an umbrella in case it rains. Means in case it is raining, take an umbrella. So in case is used here as a conjunction. Now conjunctions of purpose. It is little bit different. So that or in order to. You can use like that. The children are wearing hats so they don't get sunburned. Means in order to protect from sun, they are wearing hats. So is used here as conjunctions between two sentences. Here you can see we left early so that we would not be late. We left early so that we would not be late. Means we left early because we won't be late for some program. That's why so that it's used here as an conjunctions. And the final one you can see here, Dad painted the wall white in order to make the room look brighter. Dad painted the wall is another sentence. To make the room look brighter is another sentence. So in order to join these two sentences, in order to is used here. Dad painted the walls white in order to make the rooms look brighter. So in order to is also a conjunction. So now we will test our knowledge. Complete the following sentence by adding and, for, or. So let's do this exercise. We'll do the first five one, and let me start. Mrs. Taylor is tall and slim. Taylor is tall and slim. You can write here and or. Learning geography is hard but interesting. Very good. I don't like football or soccer. I don't like football and soccer. Do you pull the handle? Do you pull the handle or push it? No, and push it, because you have to pull the handle and you have to push it in. These tools are old but still useful. But still useful. We visited lots of castles and places in England. So like that you can continue this exercise. In the last you can see I did not know whether to turn left or right. So there is an option, that's why we will write here or. So in the next exercise we have to complete the following sentence by adding comma or and comma and or. We have to use these three things, comma and or. So the first one is clear. You can see here you will need paper, scissor and glue. Three things are there: paper, scissor and glue. So after paper there is a comma, scissors and glue. In between scissors and glue there is and is written. So like that what you can do, I am doing one or two exercise here for you. I don't enjoy football. I don't enjoy football, swimming, homework. I don't enjoy football, comma, swimming and homework. Here you can write and. Shall we play tennis, read a book, watch TV? Shall we play tennis, comma, read a book, and in between here you can write and. Do you want to sit next to Peter, David, Sam? Do you want to sit next to Peter, comma, David, and here if you write you can write and Peter, comma, David and Sam. We visited India, Japan, South Korea on our trip. We visited India, comma, South Korea, and here you can write and, right. So you can continue this exercise like this. Now we will move to the next exercise. Here choose the sentence from the box that goes with each sentence below. Join two sentences with and, but, or. So we have to join these sentences. How? First one is clear. You can see. Shall I bring my computer games to your house? Or the answer is here. Or do you want to play at my house? So this is clear here what you have to do. Let me do one for you. We went to the supermarket. You can see here we went to the supermarket. Then what we did there, you can see, but it was closed. You have to write we went to supermarket but it was closed. You can see here but it was closed. So like this you can continue this exercise. You can I'm completing one more for you. Take this milk, take this milk, and take this milk and what you will write and put it in the fridge, put it in the fridge. So you can using and button or you can use all these to join these two sentences. Now we will move to the next part. Again thus complete the each sentences using the conjunctions. First one is clear. The children went inside because it had started to rain. Like that, he took his new toy to school. Why he took his new toy to school? So he could show it to his friends. How? Let me clear. He took his new toy to school so he could show it to his friends. It is clear. Next one is put on your apron. Put on your apron before you start to paint, before you start to paint, because if you will paint without wearing apron it will damage your shirts. So you can continue this exercise like this. And after this uh, one more I am trying. Go to bed early. You can see here go to bed early. What will be the answer of this one? Let me check. Go to the bed early so you are not tired in the morning. You can see here, so you are not tired in the morning. So like that you can continue this exercise, and conjunctions are not so much tough for you. You can do this, and hope you have understand this concept. And in the next chapter we will move to the another topic. This is all about interjections. So get ready for the next chapter also, and if you have any doubts you can put your comments or ask your queries in the comment box of the YouTube channels. So for the time, goodbye and stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.